Let's continue the entertainment news. So many things to talk about.
A lot.
And this one annoys me, by the way.
Drama.
Court sends Terry Apala to Ikoyi prison for Naira abuse. The Federal High Court in Lagos has sent Nigerian Afrobeat and Apala musician Terry Alexander Ejeh, popularly known as Terry Apala, to the Ikoyi Correctional Centre following a Naira abuse charge brought against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. In a ruling on Friday, April 25, 2025, Justice Akintayo Aluko ordered the artist remand until May 5, 2025, when his bail application could be heard and determined. The singer was arraigned before the court on a one-count charge of Naira abuse filed by the EFCC. The commission claimed that Ejeh trampled on the currency whilst dancing during a social event at Madison Place, Oniru, Lagos Island. Counsel to the anti-graft agency, Sulaimon Sulaiman, subsequently asked the court to read the charge to the defendant so he could take his plea. The EFCC charge against the defendant reads, and I quote, that you, Terry Alexander Ejeh, on the 5th day of January 2025 at Madison Place, Oniru, within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, whilst dancing during a social event, tampered with Naira currency issued by the Central Bank of Nigeria by matching on it and thereby committed an offense contrary to and punishable under Section 21, subsection 1 of the Central Bank of Nigeria Act 2027, end quote. However, the defendant pleaded not guilty to the charge, prompting Sulaiman to request a trial date and a remand of the defendant in the custody of the Nigerian Correctional Centre. But the artist's counsel, Felix Nwabudu, informed the court of a pending bail application filed on his client's behalf. Nwabudu disclosed that the prosecution had been served with a copy of the bail summons on Friday morning, pleading with the court to allow him to move the application. However, the EFCC counsel opposed the hearing of the bail condition application on the grounds that he would need time to study the application and make an appropriate response. Subsequently, Justice Aluko ordered the remand of Terry Apala at the Ikoyi Correctional Centre pending the hearing and determination of his bail application. The judge also ordered an accelerated hearing of the trial and adjourned the matter till May 5 for trial.
This was one of the things that trended over the weekend, and I don't know. It's just really sad to see this happen. And I saw in comment section, I saw a lot of people saying that whenever someone wants to be used as an example for something, it seems this is the route that they are taking now.
Is it really helping? Because yeah, we've looked for a way to improvise as regards spraying now that there has to be a box and you drop it into the box. Number one, it kills the vibe, by the way. There's no... That's why people are spraying foreign currency now. Especially the ones that throw in the air. Yeah, that's why people are spraying foreign currency now. It's just a dicey situation. For some, there are many examples of people trampling or stepping on the Naira notes or spraying it unnecessarily, and nothing gets to be done. While it's different for some other people. This case was brought up as regards this Terry. There were other names called also alongside him. Okay, it's just an annoying situation. That's what I'll just end this conversation with. Okay, yeah, hopefully it does what is right and comes out freely. That's what I'll just say.
I wish him the best, and we'll keep our fingers crossed to see how this case turns out.
Definitely.
And that's all we can take on the entertainment news today, guys. We will be back with Social Bill after this time out. Don't go anywhere.